When a cyber attack hits your network, it's kind of like a fire breaking out in a city. And a lot of businesses are like a fire department that doesn't have a map of the city. They spend valuable time looking for where the fire can reach and the best places to contain it. They may end up at a critical area like a gas station, only to realize that it's across the river and the fire can't get to it. Meanwhile, the fire is spreading towards the fireworks factory, and by the time they get there, it's too late. It's easy to see why a model of your network is so important. Many businesses have invested heavily in prevention and detection technologies, but when an incident occurs, and let's face it, it will, they need to know what assets they have, how they're connected, and if the bad guys have a pathway to their most crucial information, like customer credit card numbers. They need to be able to identify all access paths, including those without live traffic, making it difficult to completely contain an incident. RedSeal works with your existing security environment to provide network context at each step of incident response, so you can limit your attacks to mere annoyances rather than brand-damaging events. RedSeal creates a detailed model of your network so you can quickly locate affected devices and the paths intruders might take through your network. With this information, you can identify containment options, including unplugging affected equipment. You'll also know the best places to create honeypots or traps to fool the intruders and learn about their behavior and intentions, and the best places to increase your monitoring or change the rules in your firewalls to stop further incursions. But RedSeal doesn't just provide valuable information for containing threats. It also can improve all aspects listed in the NIST Incident Response Lifecycle. It can improve your preparation and detection of incidents by providing network context to data from other systems to identify high-risk assets with access to your critical systems. RedSeal can also automate much of your analysis by calculating every access path in your network and, with a single query, instantly provide you with all the important information you need. For example, what is being attacked, where it is, physically and logically, where the attacker can reach from there, and how the attacker would get there. And after each incident, RedSeal can help you harden your network against future attacks by giving you the data needed to analyze new possible attack paths so you can augment your defenses as needed. In today's cyber environment, where hackers are more sophisticated than ever, prevention and detection alone are not enough to defend against cyber attacks. You need to respond quickly, and with RedSeal, you can ensure that you can quickly put out fires before they spread through your organization. To learn more, visit redseal.net.